Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my Sephora Vib sale haul. It's a little mini haul and it's 1,000 years late, but granted, you know, shipping took forever. We're in a pandemic, no big deal there. First up, I want to talk about the Urban Decay Brow Blade. When this first came out, I was so excited to try it that I didn't even buy it and I decided to use my Kat Von D. I had like a mini eyeliner pen and I started to use that on my brows and I love the way it looks. So when the sale came around, I decided to pick this up. And can someone tell me why eyebrow pencils are always warm? I've never heard of one person saying, ugh, I just wish that I could find an eyebrow pencil that was just a lot warmer. Dark drapes. You hear dark drapes, you'd think not super warm. It's warm. Do you ever sit near someone and you see the distinct difference between the warmness of their eyebrow coloring in versus their actual eyebrow hair? I don't want to be that person. I'm sorry, but that is not the color of my eyebrows and I just don't want to be that person. So this was kind of a letdown for me. I love the concept of it. I just wish that the color was something that suited my eyebrows more. Yes, I have brown hair. Does it mean that like the brown hair looks like this? Absolutely not. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this in a different color and if it's ashier than this, because your girl cannot use this. Next up is this lip gloss from Tower 28. I'm wearing it right now. It's super, I'll add another layer. Maybe it'll like add some more color. Yeah. I got this because I just think like a sheer tinted pink lip with a no makeup look or a bronzy glowy summery type of look is the perfect lip combination. And honestly, this will work with like any makeup that you do, and the texture of it is just so like, it's not going to stick to your hair, and I feel like it would be really great for layering lipsticks underneath, and it's so high shine. For $14, I mean, what can you find at Sephora for $14? Nothing. I mean, maybe an eyeshadow that's by their own brand, but so far I really like this lipstick. I like the color of it. I think it comes in 5 different shades. I haven't heard of much of this brand, and this is my first thing that I've tried from them, so I'm excited to try more. Let me know if you guys have tried anything else that you really like from this brand, because I'm curious to know more. Another new thing for me is this Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. I've been using the Clinique moisturizer since I was 20 years old. I have really sensitive skin, so anytime I change up something I get really nervous, and that's always worked for me, so I always stuck with it. But I stumbled across this video by Hiram, who's a YouTuber that talks about skincare, and he said that that has cheap ingredients. I don't want to be using cheap ingredients for my whole life, like on my skin, my precious skin. So he recommended this one. I've only been using it for like a couple of weeks. Do I have a huge zit on my forehead? Absolutely. Do I think it's from this? Absolutely. Or it just, you know, it's hotter outside, but granted, it's going to take a couple of weeks for my skin to adjust to a new product, considering I've been using a different one for like 10 years. So I'm really excited to, so far so good. Like, it's a really thick, nice moisturizing cream. Granted, it's just a moisturizer for $60, but if it's going to give me better skin in the long run, I'm willing to make the investment. Another thing I picked up was this Huda Beauty Fender Blender Eyeshadow Brush. This pretty much looks like one of those eyeshadow brushes that you get with a janky eyeshadow palette, but my mom likes to do her makeup with this, and I got her this as a part of her Mother's Day present. I haven't used this, but it had really great reviews. I'm not big on like smudging out my eyeliner, but if you are, maybe this would work for you. Last thing I picked up was a refill of the OLAPLEX. Can I tell a difference with my hair when I do this? No, but the first time I used it, 2 people asked me if I got a blowout, so that must say something. And since I started using it, my hair has gotten super long. Is it because of this? I don't know. Do I want to take any chances to stop using this? No, so I got a refill. Last thing that came in the box were the samples, and not one time have I ever ordered something from Sephora where they actually gave me the samples that I requested, but hey, they're free anyways. So this is by the company Vib. I've never heard of them. It's a clarifying shampoo, repairing mask, and a sealing mist, whatever that means. Maybe I'll give this away because I don't think that I'll end up using it. I'm really happy with my hair care stuff and I don't want to mess around with it. I also got this sample of a Nest perfume. This literally smells like my dad. Like, it smells like Dolce & Gabbana light blue. Not for me. Maybe if you, I mean, it's called like sun-kissed hibiscus. I thought it was gonna be like coconut, orange, mango, pineapple. It smells like men going to work. I also got this tiny little Meepy Tatcha sample. I mean, how am I gonna know if I like this by this one little quarter of a little size? Anyways, complaining way too much about free samples. That's all I got from this Sephora sale. What did you guys get? Anything good? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time.